We've repaired 3 potholes using our Sealcrete S1 product. We have used new crusher on. We removed all the aggregate and asphalt that was in here, sealed the road, protected it. You can actually see how hard this is. This is rock solid. It still needs a little drying. You can see where tires are turning on it, which means that tires came and applied pressure here before we were able to get this piece, this section here, properly dried, which means here will require a slight spray just to get some product down in these little cracks right here where the tire turned and moved here. That is just to protect what is underneath. This is just the surface top coat product. So this don't matter if this rip or anything like that. The underneath is already secure. Natural paving solution.